I just had $704 worth of rum delivered to my door, so I thought it'd be a fantastic time to revisit the Mai Tai. I first posted this on the channel 9 years ago, and the video is pretty bad. It's one of my oldest videos. Don't go watch it. Mai Tai, at its heart, it is 2 ounces of rum, some orange liqueur, orgeat, so an almond and slightly floral, I was about to say liqueur, syrup, and lime juice. In its simplest form, that's what it is. A lot of people like to mix up their rums, split the base, so you use 2 different rums to make a more complex flavored Mai Tai. If you don't want to split the base, and if you just want one rum because you don't want to go out and buy 2, 3, 4, 5 different rums, you can use a Jamaican rum. Something like Appleton 12 works fantastically well. If you're on a budget, Appleton 8 or Appleton Estate Signature, which is what I've got here. Another common method is to split between a Jamaican rum and an overproof Jamaican rum. Something like Smith & Cross, or a blend with Jamaican rum in it like Plantaray OFTD. And then thirdly, another common method is to split between a Jamaican rum and a Demerara rum. So the difference between those 2 styles of rum, a Jamaican rum typically exhibits notes of funky, overripe tropical fruit, whilst a Demerara rum has more molasses forward, intense caramelized sugar kind of notes. So if you blend the 2, then you get the best of both worlds. And that's what I'm going to do today. Secondly, you've got your orange liqueur. Now you've got Clement, which is a rum agricole based orange liqueur. Got some Creole spices in there as well. Then I've got Grand Marnier, so I'm going to split the base with those as well. But if you wanted to, you could just go one. Another great option is Pierre Ferrand dry curacao, cognac based as well. I'm essentially splitting each ingredient. I'm doing 2 rums, doing 2 orange liqueurs, and I'm doing 2 syrups as well. So let's get started and measure out 1 ounce, 30 ml of Jamaican rum. Now, I'm also saying this is my favorite template to use, not necessarily my exact favorite rum. These are 2 rums that are good and will make a great Mai Tai. They're also a little bit more accessible. As I said before, Appleton 12. I would love to use Appleton 12 as the Jamaican rum. Then we have Eldorado 8, a Demerara rum, a Guyanese rum. So 1 ounce. And then orange liqueur, Clement Shrubb, half an ounce. Now I feel like this video is going to be quite divisive. A lot of people are very particular about how they make their Mai Tais. And I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments below what you would do differently. I'm sure there'll be plenty of comments. 1/4 ounce, 7.5 ml of Grand Marnier. I'm using Liber & Co.'s Orgeat. They are literally the best syrups. So we have half an ounce, 15 ml of Liber & Co. Orgeat. Really intense, thick almond flavors and that little hint of orange blossom water. And don't forget theirs also has gum arabic in it as well, which thickens it even more. You will notice sometimes that it is incredibly thick when you pull it straight from the fridge. Just need to leave it out at room temperature for a sec, just to thin it out. But that's a good thing, because that will make a more viscous and more textural Mai Tai. And then their Demerara syrup. So treat these both like rich syrups. And then we have 1/4 ounce, 7.5 ml of Demerara. And this is going to pair nicely with the rums, and it will give that kind of same sort of note as the Demerara rum, caramelized sugars and toffees and that kind of character. Then we have 1 ounce, 30 ml of fresh lime juice, and you want to save the lime hull for the garnish. Plenty of ice and give it a good shake. Lime wheel for garnish, spent lime hull I should say, mint sprig, and serve it with a Surfside Sips. Use STB20 at surfsidesips.com to get 20% off. Glass borosilicate straws, these are amazing. They have My Perfect Mai Tai. Jamaican rum, Demerara, a split base of orange liqueurs, and then we have the Liber & Co syrups, Orgeat and Demerara, and obviously the lime juice as well. Cheers. This is an excellent drink. Let me know in the comments below what your preferred rum split, orange liqueur split is if you're a big Mai Tai fan. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Make sure you check out the links if you want to grab yourself a bottle of Liber & Co syrup. Cheers.